Check out this pre-owned 2012 Nissan Frontier SV 4x4 Crew Cab V6. This two-door truck has a two-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 113,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.